Hey there, amazing Earth explorers. Ivy here, ready for an adventure that's super fun and super important for our planet. Can you sort paper, plastic, and compost like a true recycling superstar? Get ready to jump into action with me and my fantastic friends. We're the Recycling Rangers, and we're here to make learning about our Earth exciting. This is Max, my super sniffing sidekick, always ready to sniff out recyclables. Woof, he loves helping our planet. And rolling in is Zoe, our brilliant recycling robot. She calculates the best recycling solutions with a cheerful beep. Together, we're on a mission to learn all about sorting garbage and helping our beautiful planet thrive. So what is recycling? Well, when we throw things away, a lot of it ends up in big piles called landfills. That's a lot of garbage, but recycling is like giving trash a second chance. Instead of going to the landfill, these things can be turned into something brand new. Recycling saves energy and precious resources. For example, recycling paper saves trees, helping our forests stay green and healthy. And recycling plastic helps keep our oceans sparkling clean for all the amazing sea creatures. Did you know that some plastic bottles can even be turned into cozy clothes like a warm fleece jacket? And recycling just one aluminum can saves enough energy to power your TV for 3 whole hours. Recycling is super important because it protects our planet, saves energy, and makes new things from old. It's a fantastic way for families to make a real difference. Okay, Earth Explorers, it's sorting time. We have 3 colorful bins: blue for paper, yellow for plastic, and green for compost. Let's see where these items go. Are you ready to play along with your family? First up, a newspaper. Is it paper, plastic, or compost? Shout out your answer. That's right, it's paper. It goes right into the blue bin. Great job, future recycling experts. Next, a plastic bottle. Where does this go? Think carefully. Plastic goes in the yellow bin for recycling. You're doing wonderfully. Every bottle recycled helps keep our world cleaner. Now, a banana peel. What do we do with this? Max says it's compost. That goes in the green bin, helping plants grow big and strong. You're all becoming amazing at this. Let's try a few more items together. Earth Day is a super special day to celebrate our amazing planet and all its wonders. It's a day to remember how important it is to take care of our home. Recycling is one of the best ways we can show our love for the Earth every single day. Even small actions, like sorting our garbage at home, can make a huge difference. When families work together, we can help keep our planet healthy and happy for everyone. Let's all promise to be recycling rangers and protect our beautiful world. Now it's your turn, Earth Explorers. Ask your parents to help you find the recycling bins at home or at school. Practice sorting your garbage and become a recycling superstar in your own home. Every little bit helps our planet shine brighter. But the recycling adventure doesn't stop here. Next time, we'll learn about reducing waste and reusing old things in super creative ways. Don't miss it. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep recycling.